Couldn't make it tonight, so he sent his apologies, and in place he sent Mr. David to speak. PS Public Enterprise, Mr. David Kolitagane. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you and thank you very much for coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, the opening of this new Gibson Freight facility here in Kalambu Estate represents the most recent milestone in the 27 years history of Gibson Freight in Fiji. The presence of Gibson Freight has contributed to enhancing Fiji's status as a regional hub, transportation and transshipment. This also demonstrates the confidence of global operators in the Fijian economy. Gibson Freight is not only a new entrant into the Fijian market, as mentioned by the Executive Chairman. It was established in the 1990 to assist our young growing garment industry entry into the Australian market. The Fijian garment industry provided a vital base for the Gibson Freight to secure and develop its presence in Fiji, and at the same time using Fiji as a hub. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government has been working to transform Fiji into a dynamic, internationally competitive economy, serving as a trade and investment hub in the Pacific. In this connection, a number of improvements and reforms have been made to address issues pertaining to trade facilitation in general and also port efficiencies in particular. All these reforms are aimed at achieving a set objectives of becoming a trading and investment hub. In the same spirit, Fiji government has continued making improvements to our trading facilitation process and also investment laws and regulations. As a result of these improvements, in 2016, approximately 15,000 containers has transshipped through our Fijian ports. It's a big number. It's about 10% of our total containers handled at our port. The Fiji Ship Owners Agents Association aspire to increase volume up to 40% of the total containers handled at our port with the existing incentives and infrastructure. The Fijian government is fully supportive of these aspirations and will continue to provide favorable conditions, which includes coordination and closer working relationship with trade facilitation agencies, such as the Revenue and Customs Services, biosecurities, to name a few. The Ministry of Industry and Trade is also working with these agencies to develop a single window clearing system, which will further enhance our port efficiency and cross-border trade. Ladies and gentlemen, this single window clearance system at the border is part of the WTO, World Trade Organization, Trade Facilitation Agreement, which the Fijian government ratified in March 2017. The agreement is a global reform of customs procedures which seeks to improve efficiency at the trade crossing borders. Collaborations and having better defined roles amongst the relevant border agencies contributes to lifting efficiencies at the border and reduce the cost and time it takes to clear goods. We see the role of the private sector in supporting the implementation of these TFAs or trade facilitation facilities as an important partnership with the public and the private sector. Hence, the government look forward to Gibson Freight's contribution towards government's effort in consolidating its hub status and making the Fijian ports the most efficient and productive port in the region. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to Gibson Freight's investment and injection of expertise in the local shipping lines. We know that the company has made its objective as part of its corporate social responsibility, and it's critical that the geography of maritime nation and the Fijian government is committed to improving connectivity within the islands. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government will continue to provide conducive environment for business to thrive. At present, the Ministry for Industry, Trade and Tourism, in partnership with key stakeholders, such as the World Bank, the IFC, the private sector part of the World Bank, is working to improving ease of doing business in Fiji. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Fijian government, we congratulate the China Navigation Company for the opening of the branch in Fiji. We hope to see its operations expand in Fiji and in the region. As you know, shipping is the lifeblood of our economy. And on behalf of the Minister, tonight I declare the facility open. Vinaka, thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
And you better speak to the Minister about that. Contra for a workshop at the weekend.
Everything except the Harley is gratefully accepted.